Another visual effects from here is of a device frame is the drop shadow. If you want to drop shadow on your video or image or element, you can use that. For example, we have this and we want to drop shadow on this image on top of this video. You can simply drag and drop your drop shadow here. You can open it effects and click on that to go into settings. But if you select your video, you can go down and access drop shadow, but I want to access the clean setup, not other setup. Okay, from here it tells you, okay, in this angle will be drop shadow, or you can assign in this angle. You can see we have a little drop shadow here, or you can choose angle from here. You can see, look at there. You can increase the offset to see which angle you want to assign the shadow. And we can change opacity if you want. You can change the blur. And here you can change the color. For darker, you can make it more black. And here you can see drop shadow. You can also assign the drop shadow on anything on the camtasia that you want.